Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial, we're going to show you how you can use the split screen feature on Brave browser, for instance, to visit two websites in two separate tabs at the same time on one display. So let us get started and show you how to do this. So open up the Brave browser on your desktop computer, for example. And what you want to do, guys, is access the first website you would like to use in your split screen. So let me go with that website here. And basically what you will need to do, guys, is right click on the tab of the given website here at the top, and from the menu below select new split view. So as you can see, that is a pretty new feature. So click on it. That is going to open up a second tab or a second view here on the right hand side. So now your display or screen has been separated into parts. So guys, what you want to do is simply use the URL bar here at the top, for example, to enter the website's URL you would like to visit. So let me go, for example, with Google. Press enter and access the website here on the right hand side of your screen. As you can see, that's pretty simple. Now if you'd like to customize your split screen, guys, simply click on these three dots here at the top between these two tabs. And what you want to do is, for example, select unsplit tabs or swap the tab positions. And as you can see, guys, these tabs have been switched from left to right and from right to left. And the same applies also to these tabs in the top left corner, guys. So that's basically it. You may switch between these, for example, by selecting your tab here, as you can see. And as said earlier, guys, you may simply unsplit that or these tabs by clicking on the three dots and by selecting unsplit tabs. That is going to redirect you to the normal view here or standard view. And that's how it works, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.